Hi there, Samantha McGill here, Technology Consultant with DPC Technology. Every hurricane season, we receive a lot of calls from business owners asking how they can protect their systems from natural disasters. We wanted to put together a quick video to help you prepare for the storms ahead and hopefully give you some peace of mind. Your first step is going to be to make sure that all of your computers and their battery backups are powered down, unplugged from the wall, and are in a high, dry location as far off the ground as possible. Next, you will follow the same procedure for all printers and all scanners in the office, ensuring that these are also powered down and unplugged from the wall. Next, turn off your server and server battery backup and unplug these. There is an additional battery backup located with all of your cabling and other network devices. This is easy to overlook, but it's crucial that you remember to turn off and unplug this as well, as it protects your firewall, switches, and all of the other components that make up the core of your network. Finally, we'd like to ask that you unplug the backup drive located in your network closet. Simply turn this off, unplug from the power source, and leave in place, somewhere dry and high off of the ground. Of course, the most important thing is that you and your team stay safe so we can all get through this together. We've included a hurricane preparedness checklist at the link below for you to download, and if you have any additional questions, feel free to give us a call at 904-443-0095. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon.